5-minute or less hip flow, fantastic for warming up for any kind of sport or activity. So you're gonna start by laying on your back. Get that rib cage to stack over your pelvis, bring one leg in and hold onto your shin. This other leg is gonna move in circles and you play with your range of motion here. So we are hitting every range of motion pretty much that your hip goes through. Making small circles here, you wanna do about 3 to 5 of them. Breathe in and out through your nose. Let's do one more here. So you see I'm kind of dragging my leg out to the side, my foot kind of comes down and then I come up, then we're gonna go the opposite way. Foot comes down, leading with the knee, coming back up. Foot comes down, open up, leading with the knee, come back up. Let's do 2 more. Down, turn, up, and down, turn, up. Switch sides, grab onto this leg. Now we're gonna put the foot down, turn, up. So we're kind of, it really doesn't matter if you wanna start in a specific direction. You just wanna make sure you do both of them. Down, open, up. One more. Down, open, up, and reverse. So we're leading with the knee, foot comes down and lifting back up, using the core, relaxing everything else. Inhaling and exhaling through the nose. 2 more. And last one here. And then we're gonna straighten that leg out. This leg's already in and we are gonna hold. So we're getting hip flexion here as well as hip extension. Okay, and you can flex your feet and pretend like you're pushing away, like you're reaching towards the opposite wall. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch. Other knee comes in, other leg goes straight out. Flexing the foot, pretending like you're pressing on a gas pedal, but you're really not letting your leg go anywhere. You're still holding it in. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, squeezing the glute on the straight leg. 1, switch, one more time each side. 5, squeezing the glute on the straight leg. 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch. Keeping that rib cage stacked over the pelvis. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're gonna bring this leg up to bend. We're gonna grab our thigh and then we're just gonna rotate the foot in and rotate the foot out. So we're working on hip internal and external rotation here. And you wanna do this like 5 times. So that's 2. Again, watch what your upper body's doing, keeping that rib cage stacked over the pelvis. So this would be external rotation as your foot comes in, and this would be internal rotation as your foot goes out. 2 more. And last one here. And then we're gonna switch sides. Boop. Grab onto the thigh. Foot can pretty much be relaxed. You can do whatever you want with it. Bringing it in and out. So we're actually getting the motion from our hip joint, turning it in and turning it out. Breathing in and out through the nose. 2 more. 1 and 2. There you go. Super easy, super effective hip mobility flow.